Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. How are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will learn to speak small sentences that we use in daily life and which we often forget to speak.
What do you eat?
I eat fresh fruits.
What do you eat?
I ate spicy noodles.
Where does she go?
She goes to school.
Where does she go?
She went to Paris.
Who helps your dad?
John helps my dad.
Who helps your dad?
Mike helped my dad.
When do they play?
They play every morning.
When do they play?
They played last week.
Why is he late?
He is always tired.
Why is he late?
He was very sleepy.
How do you cook?
I cook with oil.
How do you cook?
I cooked with butter.
What makes her cry?
Loud noise makes her cry.
What makes her cry?
That movie made her cry.
Where do cats sleep?
Cats sleep on sofa.
Where do cats sleep?
Cats slept under bed.
When does it rain?
It rains every day.
When does it rain?
It rained last night.
Who drives this bus?
Paul drives this bus.
Who drives this bus?
Mark drove this bus.
Why do birds sing?
They sing for mates.
Why do birds sing?
They sang this morning.
How does he swim?
He swims very fast.
How does he swim?
He swam last year.
When do you read?
I read before bedtime.
When do you read?
I read last night.
Who opens the gate?
She opens the gate.
Who opens the gate?
He opened the gate.
Where do dogs run?
Dogs run in parks.
Where do dogs run?
Dogs ran last Sunday.
Why is Anna crying?
She is very hurt.
Why is Anna crying?
She was really upset.
What breaks so easily?
Glass breaks so easily.
What breaks so easily?
Ice broke last night.
Which toy do you want?
I want red truck.
Which toy do you want?
I wanted that doll.
How does it work?
It works with batteries.
How does it work?
It worked without them.
How does it work?
It works with batteries.
How does it work?
It worked without them.
How does she walk?
She walks very slowly.
How does she walk?
She walked very fast.
Who needs more help?
Anna needs more help.
Who needs more help?
My dad needed more help.
What does he paint?
He paints big walls.
What does he paint?
He painted our room.
Where do kids play?
Kids play in park.
Where do kids play?
Kids played outside yesterday.
Why do birds fly?
Birds fly for food.
Why do birds fly?
Birds flew this morning.
Who tells the truth?
He tells the truth.
Who tells the truth?
She told the truth.
When do you dance?
I dance on weekends.
When do you dance?
I danced last Friday.
What helps your skin?
Water helps your skin.
What helps your skin?
Cream helped my skin.
Where do we meet?
We meet at station.
Where do we meet?
We met near park.
Why is she upset?
She is always worried.
Why is she upset?
She was very sad.
How does it work?
It works with pressure.
How does it work?
It worked with steam.
What does she draw?
She draws cute animals.
What does she draw?
She drew a dog.
Who calls you daily?
John calls me daily.
Who calls you daily?
Sarah called me yesterday.
Why do babies cry?
They cry when hungry.
Why do babies cry?
They cried all morning.
Have y'all ever been caught in a downpour?
Many times. I've learned to always carry an umbrella.
Have y'all ever been caught in a downpour?
Never. I always check the forecast first.
Has the storm caused any damage?
Yes, it's knocked down several trees.
Has the storm caused any damage?
No, we've been lucky, just some heavy rain.
Have you gotten used to this heat?
Not at all. I've been miserable all summer.
Have you gotten used to this heat?
Yes, I've adapted better than accepted.
Have your favorite color changed?
Yes, I've gone from loving blue to preferring green.
Have your favorite color changed?
Never. It's been white since I was a kid.
Have you found it everything you need?
I've got everything except that special makeup.
Have you found it everything you need?
Yes, the store's been well stocked today.
Have you been drinking enough water?
I've had 3 bottles already today.
Have you been drinking enough water?
Probably not. I've been forgetting all day.
Have you tried the new cafe downtown?
I've become a regular there already.
Have you tried the new cafe downtown?
Not yet. Every time I go, the line's too long.
Have your tastes changed over the time?
Yes, I've grown to love foods I used to hate.
Have your tastes changed over the time?
No, I've always liked the same things.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!